Kia ora, my name's Tim Smart-Pullyn. I'm the Director of Digital Diligence Limited, along with my wife, Savannah Smart-Pullyn. We're a small team based here in Nelson, New Zealand. So we predominantly specialise in business systems and integrations, building custom software solutions, and then a lesser part of our business is in augmented and virtual reality technologies as well. Zoho Creator has been a massive enabler for our business, our team and our overall capabilities. We've traditionally been a CRM focused organisation. We didn't have any deep technical capabilities in our team, and we had a new customer approach us who were interested in building a new ground up business operations platform for the work that they do. And we quickly realised that CRM wasn't going to cut it, as flexible as it is. And so we started investigating Zoho Creator as a potential solution for that customer. So that was about 15 months ago now, and that's how long we've been working with Zoho Creator. That customer though is now our biggest customer by far. Instead of looking at Creator as the backup option, we now look at Creator as the potential primary option. And then if they go that way, if it is the right solution, then all of the other Zoho applications inevitably come along for the journey, but the core of what they need, we always look at Creator first up. But professionally, it's been a great success for those businesses that have approached us and that are looking for a solution that they previously hadn't been able to find. It is an excellent middle ground where an off-the-shelf tool isn't quite cutting it, and they might not have a huge budget to go and build, or the time to go and build something completely bespoke. So professionally, being able to have those conversations with customers compared to our competitors is a very strong, ace up our sleeves, so to speak. The tools that we've built on Zoho Creator are business process aligned and kind of quite functionally specific, shall we say. One of my favourite is a water and land health monitoring application. This customer had previously contracted a consultant from one of the biggest consulting companies in New Zealand, and they told them it couldn't be done. And so they came to us for another opinion. We proved it could be done within about a month and a half from the ground up, and that included a complete custom user interface as well. We've got other companies that have seen what's been done with that application and Zoho Creator now approaching us wanting to see a bit more around how it might be adaptable for their businesses. Another customer, they were previously using paper forms to do their quality assessments. The same customer that got told you couldn't do that in an app, especially working offline. And so we were able to translate that into a really nice, highly functional mobile app. So the efficiency for them was that they got to move off paper, and they had been given the expectation that that wasn't possible. So they were, delighted with that. We've got, in particular, a couple of very large systems running flawlessly from implementation onwards. It's been a very smooth journey. So I think what motivates myself and the team a lot is knowing that generally, again, within reason, most things can be done. That motivation is because we know we can demonstrate, a working example to a customer within hours if they wanted it. Generally within a few days, they've got their kind of vision and their ideal outcomes coming together very quickly. Whereas, compared to, again, use the example of CRM, it would take quite a bit of configuration for some instances to get these processes working, and then even then it's probably not the right place for it. And the other side being a full custom app development to get very specific features going is not just time and costly. Time requires time and cost, but it's quite a slow process to get started with sometimes as well. There's a whole lot of architecture and setting up the database structure and the integrations before you can actually start showing the customer something. So Creator is that perfect middle ground. Creator has been evolving quite consistently, so they're adding in the new features that are being asked for. They're constantly innovating, so in the future for Zoho Creator, I would expect ongoing innovation, particularly in that AI space, identifying ways to leverage that within Creator, even though there are some already. It's a great platform to launch from. Some of the recent enhancements in Zoho Creator, such as Co-Creator, are phenomenal, especially the ability to generate an application framework that it can understand from just a picture, a flowchart is phenomenal. In regional New Zealand, having a genuine buy-in from a massive company to help support our business in our region is outstanding and you know, something we don't take for granted. With the support team, they know what they're doing. You know, they're quite technically minded, so they can help get to the bottom of issues. Don't presume there are limits. I think go into Zoho Creator believing that what you want to do can be done. It's hugely, you know, flexible, functional and extendable with APIs. Go in open-minded, don't rule it out based on a preconception of what it may or may not do. Start using it and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised.